Impact happens. One sudden jolt can ruin an entire shipment. Did your cargo wake up?
Device and no cloud delay. Smart Wake reacts the moment vibration or drop is detected. Only diverse of the cloud is choose on-device interpretation once again. Smart Wake and on-device alerts to access the element.
Each alert captures location and timestamp. For cold chain models like GPT50, temperature thresholds trigger too, keeping visibility end-to-end.
Sensing from the edge. Data you can trust. Operations you can optimize. Experience on-device impact alerts with EELINK GPT48-X and GPT50. Visit elinkTech.com for your pilot kit.